The Continuous Electron Beam Accelerator Facility, or CBAF, is the world's most powerful microscope for studying the nucleus of the atom. Experiments in CBAF are powered by the CBAF Accelerator, which provides electron beams for research to 4 unique experimental areas. CBAF is about 25 feet below ground, built on the Yorktown Formation, an ancient seabed. Electron beams start in the injector, where laser beams strip electrons from atoms. Then the electrons enter a section of linear accelerator. There they are boosted with energy by superconducting radio frequency energy waves. All along its journey around the accelerator, the electron beam is guided by powerful magnets. With each lap around the accelerator, electrons in the beam gain about 2.2 billion electron volts of energy. An electron can travel around the 7/8 mile accelerator up to 5 times in just 22 millionths of a second before it's directed into a research hall for experiments.